Alright, welcome to the fastest Google AdWords search network tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a Google AdWords search network campaign. Pretty easy. So once you're in Google AdWords, you set up your account, you set up your billing and everything like that. You're going to come to a screen that looks exactly like this one. And what you want to do first is click on this red button here, this plus campaign button, and come down to a search network only campaign. So you want to use search network only. You do not want to use search network with display select. So that's all you need to know about that. And name your campaign whatever you want. Today I'm going to be doing one for a PPC agency. We'll do a couple different ad groups. You can load settings here. You want to include your search partners. It'll just give you more coverage overall. For locations, let's just say I just want to target the United States for this. This is where I serve. English as the language. If you serve any other languages, you can change that here. So bid strategy, I like using a manual CPC bid strategy. There are some different ones here. You could do a maximize clicks, but I prefer manual CPC. And I usually enable enhanced CPC. You just want to make sure you have conversion tracking set up. So your default bid here, this is going to be for the entire camp for our first ad group. So what we're going to do is just set a $5 bid. Bidding for PPC agencies is pretty competitive here. So setting a budget, my budget is $20 per day, let's say. So for ad extensions, you can add all sorts of ad extensions here. And we're going to actually skip this part. So since this is the fastest tutorial, what we want to do is set these up afterwards. After you set up your campaign, you can set up your ad extensions. I always think it's a little bit easier after you set them up. So we're in ad group 1. So for ad group 1, I'm going to call it PPC agency. So for keywords, I want to target exact match keywords. So I want to target people who are searching for best PPC agency, top PPC agency, PPC management agency, and let's just do one more. I'll do one more. So now we're just targeting 5 exact match keywords. We're bidding $5 for each of these different keywords here. They have some different ad group ideas that we can use. So this is actually where doing a fast tutorial comes in handy. So what I'm going to do is add this PPC management ad group right over here. And I don't want to do all of their keywords. I'm only going to do okay, we're going to do this one right here. So just these first few, and then we're going to erase the rest. So that's good for now. Now we have 2 ad groups. And what I want to do over here is take out PPC management agency. Actually, we'll leave it in there since I don't have agency over here. So this will just be PPC management. But that's just something you want to think about in terms of your keywords. This actually works out the way it is. So PPC agency and PPC management, pretty similar themes, but definitely different keywords. You don't need to enter your landing page here. You could actually just create ads in the next step. So we're going to continue to ads. So now we have our 2 ad groups set up, PPC agency here, and you'll see PPC management here. So what we're going to do is create the same, actually we'll do 2 separate ads because it's going to end up being a little bit different. So we'll do surfsideppc.com/contact. So headline 1, so this is for your ad group PPC agency. So what I like to do is pick out one of these keywords up here. So let's do PPC management agency. Best PPC advertising agency. And then in description, we're going to do contact us today. All right, this isn't probably the description I'd write. But you see, kind of, you get the gist here. You're going to have to adjust this anyway. You're going to want to test your ads together. So since I have PPC management in here, I could actually copy it to both ad groups. So we're going to do all ad groups here and do create ads. So now automatically I have PPC agency and PPC management. And you can see this actually works out here and it works out here as well. So same ad for both the ad groups. Remember, this is the fastest Google AdWords tutorial. I'm kind of showing you how to go through it pretty quickly. So basically where we are right now, we're pretty much done. So we're going to click save and finish. And now we're up here running right now. We have search PPC agency. If you look in our PPC agency ad group, we have all of our keywords in here. If you look in PPC management, we have all of our keywords. They're recommending higher bids. You can leave them here for now and see where, where maybe you're missing out on. So I'm obviously missing website conversion, so you want to set that up as well. You can set that up by going to tools and into the conversions here. And I import conversions from Google Analytics, but I have separate videos that'll show you how to do that if you search my YouTube channel. So what I would do now is set up ad extensions. I have a bunch of videos about setting up different ad extensions, so you can view those as well to give you kind of an in-depth look at it. But here's kind of a very quick Google AdWords tutorial. We have our campaign set up. We're bidding on some keywords in 2 different ad groups. We have a couple different ads running, and we're driving traffic right to our website. So this actually wouldn't be a terrible campaign. Obviously, I'd want to set up ad extensions and I'd want to build out more ad groups, but quick tutorial. Now you understand, Google AdWords search network, kind of how to set up a campaign pretty quickly right in Google AdWords. So thanks for joining me today.